the largest national convention center. All the major events are here. Again, 60 hectares of land, all developed by Mr. Jamali here, and very nice. We go outdoor. These entire complexes is developed by Mr. Jamali. Here are great gentleman, soul service to the whole of the nation of Botswana. And look at the outdoors, how wonderful. Beautiful trees of Botswana in the city of Gaborone. We are visiting the entire 60 acres of land developed by Mr. Jamali. And he personally is taking me to see all the development areas in the formation. Some completed, some to be completed. Sports stadium, art exhibition.
VIP presidential house.
Okay, the presidential house. Yeah, these are the developers. There was nothing here. Even the highway you created it,
nothing.
and the bridge you created it. Yeah, everything.
Presidential house.
Yes, if any of our high-level guests we bring here to develop the nation, we will bring them here. Okay, very good. Yeah, this is very good because I will show to some of my high-level connections to